In a light luxury-style living room, every piece of furniture embodies sophistication and timeless elegance. Here, we invite you to experience a space where beauty and comfort seamlessly blend together. The sofa is the centerpiece of any living room, offering both comfort and style. Our light luxury sofas are crafted with the finest materials, from plush upholstery to precise stitching, ensuring a truly indulgent experience. Its sleek design, soft yet supportive cushions, and subtle details bring a sense of luxury into your everyday life, perfect for both moments of relaxation and social gatherings. A luxury coffee table is not only practical, it's also a must-have in your living space. Designed with high-quality materials such as marble and polished metal, this table enhances the beauty of the living room with its clean lines and refined finishes.